Right now at the start of Joey's Lookout Trail, 2.5 kilometers up, 2.5 kilometers down. Right at the start, you'd think you'd be able to park, but there's a giant pipe with, well, clearly oil, and this is all loading zone. So none of that's parking, so for all those people who want to visit and take a look at it, no real parking. Probably park on the grass just outside, but in the end we just got dropped off and we're just gonna do the hike. Let's see how long it takes. So we finally made it here and it took us just under 35 minutes. It's a good 2.5K, so it's nice. Very loose gravel. And this is the building. Clearly a lot of kids come out here and, dare I say, vandalize. It's funny, trying to break through that door would probably be impossible, but you just go through the windows over there. Jerry Hart's Ginger. Whoa, you see that? Look at this view. I know there's supposed to be a view closer to the golf course, so this is not exactly the one I want to see, but right at the end here, I can take some shots. That's where I'm going. I just want to say, clearly this is a path. It's just not maintained at all. Marsh. This is the view I was talking about. Look at this thing.